Today, we're hunting for some dirt in the Santa Cruz Mountains, and some twisties too.
Howdy folks, how's it going? Getting out for a little bit of a ride today. It's pretty goaty, twisty stuff with a little bit of dirt, about 95 miles or so. This is Chesborough Reservoir, and that's the spillway there. You can see it's pretty low, but I've seen it dry. A section further back, I've taken this bike down there once. I'm running a very different camera setup than normal. Usually I run this camera here, which I'm pointing at you, on my chin. And you notice there's no chin mount. That's because last week the adhesive kind of failed on it, but it hung on and I did not lose the mount in the camera. So since I don't have the chin cam for the rider's view, I'm using the 360 for that. Kind of funny how when you cross a river, you usually get this 290-degree angle jog. It makes for a shorter bridge. At about a mile, this turns to dirt. Now this is pretty much what this road is like. You know, enough loose gravel for it to roll over and cause you some traction issues if you're not careful. Some not exactly trivial washboarding, although there's worse. I'm taking it pretty cash. Heck, I'm sitting down for Christ's sakes. Oh my God. He's riding an adventure bike and he's sitting down. Well, yeah, I don't really need to stand up. I mean, a little bit of washboard I could stand up. I mean, I stand up when I need to. I don't stand up all the time like some people. That's tiring. I got bad knees, my feet get tired. So I kind of do it on a situational basis. It's a pretty cool tree. I knew it was a really big turn. Another sharp one. Here's the dirt. Gate is open. A little bump here, and definitely worse than the one I did earlier. Saw that at the last minute. Yeah, I kind of screwed up there on my line. Man, there's some ruts that are just really poorly placed here. Gotta go for the rut. Oh, this sucks. Bad judgment calls there. I'll let the guy on the small bike go through. Much better.
Biker Brotherhood there.
If you've liked this ride, check out one at the top of your screen. And consider liking and subscribing. And wherever your journeys may lead, ride on.